Hi, this is Regitze. What is special ads category? If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram ads, please give me a like and follow. But let's jump into it. What is this special ads category and what does it entail? I'm here in my ad account, and when you can create a new ad, but I have a test ad already. If you create a new ad, it's just here, click create, and but I'll go to the test campaign that I have already, and here it is, special ads categories, and yeah, there's different categories. There's something that has to do with credit and finance offers, employment offers, housing, social issues, elections, and politics. You'll know if you're in one of those categories. And if you're unsure, if you think maybe I'm in one of those categories, maybe I'm not, then it's always better to click that you are, because if you don't click it and Facebook find out that they think that you are actually in one of those categories, they're gonna close your ad account. They're very strict with that. So it's better to click that. You'll have maybe a little bit less targeting possibilities, but your ad account won't be banned. So it's better to declare that if you think maybe you could be in one of those categories. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. If you want help with getting leads and clients, and then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants, you can book a call with me and my team to learn more. There's a link in the description. And also please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description for that also. Take care. Bye.